Hollywood's latest off-screen drama just keeps getting wilder. The legal feud between Blake Lively and her It Ends With Us co-star Justin Baldoni has taken another turn, with fresh lawsuits, courtroom debates, and even the New York Times scoring a small legal victory. Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds are asking the court to keep some of their personal information locked away, citing privacy concerns in their ongoing legal battle with Baldoni. During a March 6th hearing, their attorney Meryl Gavernsky pushed for an additional protective order to shield already non-public information, including private conversations with high-profile individuals. The argument? If these conversations were leaked, they could cause irreparable harm. The order would also limit access to details about the parties' mental and physical health, their children, private residences, and other unrelated third parties. Lively's team wants this information to be for attorney eyes only, meaning not even the involved parties would be able to see it. Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, isn't having it. He called the request overboard and unnecessary, arguing that Lively and Reynolds are trying to get special treatment just because they're celebrities. He claims his team has no intention of leaking anything, and that this is just an attempt to make the legal process harder for Baldoni. Meanwhile, the New York Times managed to score a temporary victory in this tangled web of lawsuits. The paper had been pulled into the case due to its bombshell December 2023 article detailing Lively's allegations against Baldoni. Baldoni and his team initially sued the Times for $250 million, but later rolled it into a bigger $400 million defamation lawsuit. On March 5th, Judge Lyman granted the Times' request to pause discovery while the court decides if the publication should even be involved in this case. Basically, Baldoni's team won't be able to dig into the newspaper's business dealings while the Times fights to get itself dismissed from the lawsuit. The publication is feeling good about this one, with a spokesperson saying, "We appreciate the court's decision today, which recognizes the important First Amendment values at stake here." As if things weren't complicated enough, crisis communications specialist Jed Wallace just threw his hat into the ring, filing a $7 million defamation lawsuit against Lively. Wallace claims that he was unfairly named in court documents related to her accusations against Baldoni. He argues that this has damaged his reputation, adding yet another layer to this already messy legal battle. For those just tuning in, this all started when Lively filed a sexual harassment complaint against Baldoni in December 2023. She accused him of inappropriate behavior on set, including showing her explicit images, making comments about her weight, and bringing up his past porn addiction. She also alleged that Baldoni and his team launched a smear campaign to ruin her reputation when she spoke up. Baldoni, of course, denies all of this and claims that Lively is the one trying to manipulate the public narrative. His legal team says she made threats during production, and that Wayfarer Studios only hired a crisis manager because of her multiple demands. Since then, both sides have been throwing lawsuits, accusations, and legal motions at each other. Baldoni lost his talent agency, WME, over the allegations, and his involvement in It Ends With Us promotions was noticeably muted. Meanwhile, Lively has been front and center, attending events and continuing with business as usual. The lawsuits aren't slowing down anytime soon, and with a trial date set for March 2026, there's plenty of time for more drama. Lively is currently in Austin for another Simple Favors debut, though she's unlikely to talk about the case. Still, you can bet that the media and fans are dying to ask. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe by clicking on the channel icon. For more entertainment content, check out some of our other videos.